tops.com, and thank you for stopping by my channel today. And today I'm going to show you a little mini album that I made a couple of years ago actually, from a vacation, a seaside vacation that I went on with my sister. Now you see that I kept the outside really simple because I actually like to have my mini albums to be able to put them on a shelf easily, whereas if you put flowers and all these things, I find that they're they take a lot more space. So anyway, I used a paper pack that was available locally that I don't think is available in the West, and so this was a Seaside and oceanic a kind of paper pack. And so I went with lots of different pictures and so like pockets and things like that. So, but I also wanted to create a little bit of a scrapbook as well, like this scrapbook style. So some of them will have pockets, but others will just be simple. So for example, here is a tuck. I tuck in a picture, and so that's that. Then here you can there's another pocket, and it shows my sister and me walking on the dunes, which I really like. So here's some tickets that I cut out with my silhouette file, and then I stamped, and this is also cut by the silhouette, and then again I stamped on it. This was a journal card that was available in that paper pack, and here just two simple pages. I try to keep them simple so that the emphasis is on the photos and not so much on all the embellishments and things like that, especially because I'm using pattern paper as a background, and then it gets so busy when I do like to use a lot of white space when I scrap, but in this case I just with the pattern paper as a background. Here I just used a clothespin to put to adhere the photo and another journaling card to the page, another cut file from my silhouette, and yeah, again silhouette cut files, and then these are some bits that were available with that came with that paper pack. Some more. This is from a stamp that I got, and this is also from a stamp. And then again, I clip this under. So here's another. So two pictures with a clip. Here I tucked a photo underneath here, and then another silhouette cut file. Here I used just staples to staple the pictures on, cut out with my silhouette. Then I also cut this out with a silhouette. I scanned the images of the stamps, and then I just created cut files from that. More cutting with the silhouette. And so this album actually is one that I based it off of an album that I got in the Silhouette store, but then I always end up making my own things with it and adjusting, and because I wanted to have it as a size for the paper pack was 10 by 10 inches, and so I wanted to be able to use 5 by 5. So the size of this album is actually a 5 by 5 album, and I guess that's where some journaling should go, and never ended up being written. Again, another pocket to go with to tuck things in. And then here another simple page. Again, I'm trying to keep them simple because of the background. I don't like it when it gets too busy. And so here you see is another kind of a signet. If you look, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signets in this book. As you can tell, it's a stringed album, and so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strings, And so each one contains 2 pages basically, and in the middle, that's where they're tied together, as you will see. So some banners. Then here is actually some wood veneer that is already has some color on it. Another silhouette cut file. Then this goes into the pockets here. Oh, it's Breeze. I thought it said Freeze. And another journaling card. More things that I cut with the silhouette. Basically everything was cut with the silhouette. I don't really like fussy cutting or anything, so try to avoid it if I can do it with my silhouette. And then these are just it came with a paper pack. Here I tucked a little seahorse behind the tab, bookmark, book plate. So this is a little keepsake. Here again is where the 2 pages tie together. I find it's a very simple page design, but it works really well. And these are the last couple of pages, and another tucking spot, and that's this very easy, simple mini album. I thank you for watching. I hope if you like, click the like button, and if you want, you could subscribe. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.